Hi you all, Elaine here and welcome to my home. Well, today I'm not doing a cooking video, but I did want to talk to you all because it's been a while since I have put up a video, and I just wanted to let you all know what has been going on. It has been a really intense month, May has, for our family. It started out on May 7th when we lost our sweet beagle mix, Dixie. She was kind of the joy of our lives. And I couldn't bring myself to record a video for a little while because if you look at my past cooking videos, you can always hear the little clicking toenails on the floor behind me, or sometimes you'd hear her lap water, sometimes she'd bark, sometimes she would just lay there in the way and I'd have to step over, and then of course sometimes I just couldn't resist turning the camera on you and letting you get a look at her. But anyway, she's not suffering anymore, and she's playing with some other dogs that we've lost in the past as well, I'm sure, and having a great time. But anyway, then after that I had my spring recital with my piano students, and that actually turned out really well. We had a good recital. The kids did a great job. I even did a little performance at the end, and it came out pretty well. But then right after that, my mother-in-law, the one that she just had her 94th birthday, she wanted to go to her sister's house, which is about 250 miles away from where we live. And she wanted to help her because she had been in the hospital and had just been released. Well, she got up there and then she got really sick. And so she was in the hospital 250 miles away from us. So we had to be trucking back and forth kind of to get up there and see about her. And but thankfully today she is well enough that they're going to transport her by ambulance, and she'll be in a rehab facility that's pretty close to our home. It's like maybe 2 or 3 miles from where we live, so that'll be very helpful. So it's just been a really rough month for us, and I've kind of been in my summer break, and fortunately with my students, so I haven't had any students to have to worry about canceling or anything during this time. But my mother-in-law was actually pretty sick there for a while. We really thought we were going to be losing her, but she has recovered or is recovering, and I think she's going to be all right. But anyway, I wanted to let y'all know that I have not given up my channel, and I'm still here, and I do have a lot of cooking videos planned since I'm going to be off on summer break. I'm going to be showing you some really, really good recipes coming up, and I just wanted to let y'all know that, and maybe even some how-tos that we might do. So like some little little projects we have planned this year. So anyway, I'm optimistic that June is going to be a much better month for our family than May was. And I do want to thank you all for sticking with me, even though I haven't posted any videos since the last one I posted where I showed you that the pictures of Dixie and that she had passed away. But thanks again. Thanks for staying with me, and thank you to my new subscribers for subscribing to my channel. And I'll be having a whole lot more content coming up, and I just really appreciate it. But anyway, like I say, I'm hoping that June will be a better month going forward. So y'all have a great day, and thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you with some cooking videos real soon.